Today we're going to be making this glitter wine glass, so let's get to it. I got this wine glass from the dollar store for about $2. I measured around the widest part of the glass. I then went over to my Cricut and sized and cut out some petal-looking shapes. I cut out 10 at 1.6 by 3 inches. I cut them out and then peeled off the vinyl. I started to stick them to the glass. I did have to overlap the top to make it curve around the glass a bit. I ended up using 4 around the whole glass. I cut the tops of 4 more and then stuck them in between the large petals. Now, I don't recommend using an X-Acto knife, but it's all I had in front of me at the time, so I used it to cut off the connecting pieces and pulled them off. I then got some small scissors and did the same around the small top pieces to make everything flow as one piece, if that makes sense. I grabbed a little Mod Podge and then some pink glitter. Now with Mod Podge, glitter, and vinyl, you need to sometimes work quick. After you paint on a thin layer and sprinkle on the glitter, you need to take off the vinyl. If you let it dry or sometimes put more than one layer on, when you go to take it off, all your work's going to come off with it too. I coated the whole glass and ended up doing 4 layers altogether. Sounds like a lot, but if you have a fan to help dry in between layers, it goes a lot faster. So here is the glass all done with 4 layers, and at this point everything just became a happy mistake and I just let things happen. I really didn't know what I was doing. But I knew I didn't want to just finish it off like this. I wanted to create a little bit of definition, so I took some nail polish and a microfiber brush. I used nail polish instead of paint because it was a little thicker and I didn't want it to run. I then just kind of outlined where the original petals were. Now, I wasn't really happy when this was finished, so I did a thin layer of Mod Podge over the nail polish, and then laid down some more glitter. I did this a total of 4 times to give it a little bit more dimension, but only went halfway down. I had a plan for the rest. So after that was dry, I took a wet and then a dry Kleenex just to wipe away as much glitter as I could. I then put a thin layer of the Mod Podge on to seal it. I wasn't finished yet, but the reason I did this was because I was going to add another color, and I didn't want it to get mixed in with the pink. I took some purple and pink glitter and mixed it up into an empty jar. I outlined around the bottom of the petal with some Mod Podge and then lightly brushed upwards. I then sprinkled on the mixed glitter. I also added a little bit of that purple glitter around the edge of the base. I then did some more layering with the purple glitter on the bottom half of the petals. I wanted the colors to blend a bit more, so I added a bit more pink into the mix that I had made. Put a little bit more Mod Podge around the top layer and then threw down some more glitter. Now, instead of sealing the whole thing in Mod Podge again, because since I already did, I just went over the purple layer that I had made. And as a little added secret surprise, I took a Sharpie and wrote Mom right in the middle of the bottom of the glass, in hopes you would be able to see it in the glass while drinking. Didn't turn out so well, but it kind of worked. I put a little bit of a yellow over top of the Mom to kind of simulate the inside of a flower. I don't know. Once again, everything was just a happy mistake. Once that was dry, I took a little purple and then just coated the whole bottom. I think I did 3 coats. I took a Sharpie and just wrote out a drink recipe on the bottom. And for some reason, I used this clear nail polish to go over the top of it, but I didn't wait long enough and it kind of smeared a little bit, so lesson learned. And I took a little toothpick just to kind of clean up the edges and finish it off. And here is my Mother's Day glitter wine glass. I like the way it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Luckily, my mother or my mother-in-law do not like wine, so it's all for me. And if you look really hard, you can see the Mom. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching!